How to fix camera control button not working problem iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max. Okay, if you have like any 17 or you have camera control button is not working right now, so how you can fix this? Let's start it. First you have to open your settings app, go to settings apps. Now you can find here accessibility options, scroll up and find these accessibility options. Click on the accessibility options. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel. I hope which iPhone are you using right now? Tell me in the comment box. Just find here camera control. Okay, scroll up and just find here camera control options and click on the camera control options. If there is camera control option is up, so you can see option is off, then you have to just turn on it. If there is turn on, then you have to just turn off and turn on once again. Okay, just do this and go to the back, and I hope you have to just turn off and turn on your iPhone device. Make sure maybe later do this, but you have to just now press the power button and volume up button and just you can reset your iPhone. If do this later, okay, just check this will be work or not. Then doing the settings, now you can see the your action button, camera control button. Press the camera control button. I hope your camera control button will be work and your camera control button will be open. iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max. Maybe guys this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel. Genuine Guide YouTube channel.